Hello, this is my backyard monsters again. It's much more improved. I don't have a lot of stuff there, but I will. I have all these goos. It's upgrading all these pebbles, pebble shiners, twig snappers. Level 4 town center. That's upgrading to level 4. That's level 3. That's level 3 going to 4. That one's level 4. That one's level 3. Right there. This one's level 3. 3, 3, 3, 3. Yeah. I improved it a lot. Okay, bye.